You gotta have the sensicles because hello, it smells great. What's up, ATC gang? I am feeling better and I'm so glad to be back with you guys for Vlogmas Day 3. So today we're going to go ahead and kick it off with our Christmas tree decorating. But if you were here for Vlogmas 2022, then you already know how I do. If you are new, then let me tell you, nobody touches my tree unless you in uniform, period. You can't turn on no lights. You can't put no ornaments up. You can't look at no ribbon. Okay, if we doing a seasonal video, we got to be in uniform. So stop one was to hit up Target and see what they had in stock. So you guys, this is a collab hosted by Sunflower Tasha DIYs and So Kate. So make sure you hit them up if you want to join any future collabs, and check out the link in my description box. Y'all let me know, what did y'all have at y'all Target? You trying to find a Christmas tree? It's heavy. Daddy gotta get it. Dun dun dun. We can't even see in the clouds. That's Sheriff. Kate and his car can go in the dining. You saw Santa? Yeah. What was he doing? You saw Santa? Yeah. What was Santa doing? People. He was doing what? He was bringing Santa. Oh, he was bringing presents to the people? Yeah. Where's Santa? Oh, you saw Santa. Wow. It was so cute to see that Daniel was excited about seeing the Christmas tree on the movie. He was excited for Santa. So it's cool to know that my favorite holiday movie as a kid will now be my kid. So now he was ready to help us continue to get the living room cleared out because this truck was in the way for where our tree is going to be. I would advise you guys to invest in this bag because it has about, I want to say 3 of our trees in it. And it just cuts down on space. So once we got all of the wreaths and garland out, Byron began to show Kaden how to put the tree together. And for me, that's just one of the magical parts of the holidays. It's just the father-son bonding moments. I didn't have that growing up, so it's precious for me to see it for my babies. And open up one branch at a time. And then you go up. So see, this is the next one. So you would be right there on that one. Right there. That's your lowest. Always start from the bottom. Yeah, so you would start with that one. Oh, phone? Yeah. Oh. I can see that.
This is one we're gonna put more layers on it. It's gonna make a real big Christmas tree, right? You wanna have a nice big Christmas tree for Santa to see? Yeah, exactly.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here.
Yay! Big! Kaden reaching up like, help me, please. So we basically got the tree nice and fluffed out. Now we're gonna go through the totes, and let me turn the TV down. Kaden let me pick out the movie. So we're watching something called, I think it's called Candy Cane Lane. Yeah, Candy Cane Lane. It's with Eddie Murphy. But we're gonna go through, I know you've heard it, but I'm gonna say it again. Instead of buying like all new things, you know, sometimes you can mix something old that you already had with something new, like the black and white ornaments and stuff. I've already had that, but because I added in green this year, green pillowcases for fall, I said, well, you know, I might as well incorporate the green now for Christmas time. So we're gonna go through the bins and pull out all of the black and white ornaments, as well as incorporate the new ones. So I went to Hobby Lobby. Oh no, I told a whole lot. I went to Michael's today. You definitely have to have, if I'm talking about Christmas tree must-haves, you gotta have the sensicles, because hello, it smells great. These are the new, you know, ornaments. They were on sale. Everything was 50% off at Michael's. So if there's anything that you need Christmas time, definitely hit up Michael's. Bless you. So these were the pillowcases or whatever that I got for fall. I gotta refluff them. So I wanted to still, you know, bring out a little bit of the green. So I got this pack because green is really just gonna be the pop of color on the tree, so it don't have to be a whole lot. And then I saw these, which are super cute. These are velvet, so I thought the velvet ornaments with the velvet pillows are gonna be nice. And what I wanted to do was have another decor tip I like to utilize is using different shades of a color. And then they had these super cute black glittery ornaments. So we're gonna put one box of the black glitter ornaments, and then I thought I bought 3 boxes of green, but that should be enough because, like I said, it's just gonna be a pop of green added to the tree. So let's go ahead and go through the ornaments and see what we can utilize. So the first thing that I want to do is go ahead and add my ribbon to the tree, and then it just makes less that I have to fill in later. And I was just showing you that you will start from the top and you start with the back of the ribbon, wrap it around the back of a branch, and then you can bring another branch from the bottom and wrap around the ribbon so that you can't see where the ribbon actually started. And then I just take time and tuck the ribbon into different folds into the tree. But there's so many different ways to add it, but this is just how I do it for myself. If you guys are new to my channel, I would love to have you go ahead and join the family. I have sickle cell anemia, and so that means I am technically disabled, and it's something that keeps me in the hospital. It's something that sometimes takes away my speech, my ability to walk, and just other things that sometimes we may take for granted. And I wanted to create content to encourage anybody that whatever is thrown on your path, you can make it. If I can do it, we can both do it together. So I would love to have you join ATC gang and become a part of the fam. So right here, I was showing you that you can take multiple types of balls and cluster them in 3s. You just want to use some type of floral wire so you don't see the silver and gold caps, or you can stick them in the tree like how I just did here. The rest of my ornaments I'm going to DIY, so those will be in the next video. So if you run out of ornaments or if you're done and you still need to fill in the gaps, I like to go ahead and add this type of wired garland because it fills in spaces and it spreads nicely. I add one to the left, one to the right, and then I'll have a third one left over if I need to coordinate and put it somewhere else around the house. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed part 1. I'll finish my tree in the next video. Tomorrow we're going to do some hot cocoa bombs, so I hope to see you back for Vlogmas Day 4. All right, you guys, be blessed.